Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be unboxing my brand new filament dryer and having a first look at the Sovol SH02. Let's go. Right guys, here it is. Just quickly off the bat that this video is obviously not sponsored in any way, or this was all bought from my own money. The reason I needed one is, although the Chitty Plus 4 does have a consumable dryer feature, it seems a little uneconomical. Plus I've got two printers that need to run it, and I've noticed, even though on PLA, even though this is quite a well insulated room, it's getting very brittle, which points to moisture, I believe. Plus obviously on the Chitty I want to experiment with high grade materials like ABS and polycarbonates and so on, which hopefully we'll be doing a video on soon. Now I've got this one, and currently on Amazon I've managed to buy it with a discount, or it's on sale at around £65, but it's currently sitting at about $79.99. So let's have a look and then we go through the specs. So on the box, SH02 manual. A lot of people don't read them, but I've discovered that I tend to need to, because, you know, fairly straightforward. Nice foam packing. Stick them down there. Let's lift it out of the box. Nothing else in there. Stick that down there. No, need more room. Okay. Quite a nice little design. So a snap clasp for the lid. Venting hole for the vapor, because it's got to go somewhere. UK plug. Some PTF tube. Fortunately, that's probably nowhere near long enough for what I need. I've got to get somehow to here. I might have to clean my shelf out. More foam packing. And the interior, very straightforward. Okay, so this, let's go through a few specs with you guys. Let me just sit down. Right, what we got? Right, so this is compatible with two 270mm rolls, one on each side, which is your common roll size. I've got, as I say, I've got two because I've got two printers. That's quite good. It's got a nice rubber seal around here with that clasp. It locks it all up. As I said before, the vapor hole. Obviously the beauty of this is that you can run it and dry filament whilst you're printing, hence the two nozzles there. Take that sticky film off. Nice big display. Take those out. Okay, right, let's have a quick. So we've gone over the moisture outlet. Steel rollers, And in here, you have two compartments which you can put your, I forget what they call it now, is it discount bags, which come with your, you don't get any with it, but they come with your rolls of filament, and you can pop them in, so once the drying cycle's done and you keep it in there, it keeps it all nice and dry still. Very good, that's it. On the back is your power cord and your on-off switch. So really and truly that is the exterior of it. Okay, I suppose we need to power it up. Fortunately, I haven't got a lot of room in here. As I say, my studio is a cupboard. But we've all got to start somewhere. Right, let's plug her in. Okay, you're gonna have to bear with me a minute because I have got to find a socket. Okay, I found a socket. Let's have a look. Right, switch it on. There you go. Now I have seen a lot of people thinking it doesn't work because they tap this button and nothing happens, as you can see. But it actually is a tap and hold, and up it comes. You can probably hear the fan. So, nice display. Looks pretty good. You've got the current temperature, humidity, time, drying time, setting temperature, which not sure what it does. Settings. Right, at the moment you can see the cursor's hit settings, your cursor flashing by PLA, which you then can change to PTG, ABS, CPU. I think that's PVA, ASA, PA, PP, and PC. And it gives you a preset time and temperature, etc. All very simple stuff. Yep, that's fine. All we've got to do is give it a whirl. Now, I'm going to take this one off here because I've just seen it broke. Alright, this is a PLA spool. As you can see, it's sheared off where it's, I believe it's got moisture trapped on there, so oh. I think that's it. Let's just check the manual. So set the for a PLA. Opens up lower. I think you've got to press the start. Yeah. So enter it in, press the start button, and off it goes. And that is it. Quite a nice little design. Obviously there's lots on the market, but let's just see a couple more specs. Right, as you saw, it does all the filaments that you probably will need. So it ranges temperature wise from 40 to 70 degrees, and 0 to 98 hours is available on the drying time. There's a thermal runaway protection on this, so if the fan doesn't work correctly or the TPC is overheating, you will get an alarm. So hopefully no fires or anything like that. As I said, we've been over the seal. And we could put our PTF tubes in, which really and truly, I'm probably not going to use, or I've got to get some more because I don't know if it's going to reach for my printer. So I'll have to have a workaround on that. So the maximum heat's up to 70 degrees. It's heated by 150 watt PTC ceramic heating element. To get to 70 degrees, it only needs 25 minutes, which isn't too bad. And to reach 50 degrees is only 7 minutes. And again, it's all adjustable here. You can change the settings to whatever you desire. You don't have to go by the presets by the looks of it, which is good. Yep. And that about covers it. Obviously, there's lots of filament dryers on the market. I've chose this one purely because it was on a sale. It had a good write-up, good reviews. We'll have to see how it goes. So only time will tell. And obviously, I'm not going to have a 7-hour video of watching a filament dryer do its thing. So that really about wraps it up for this one. Hope you find it any insight useful. On the next video, I'm hoping to launch into making this young man. I've got some B-roll of it coming, but yep, part 1 of the pit droid will follow shortly. Okay, guys, have a good one, good printing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.